The Nilotic peoples are very special and unique people with unusual physical characteristics. They are regarded as the tallest, thinnest and darkest people in the world. They are the giants of Africa. Their extreme weather has played a major role in influencing the lives of the Nilotes and has given them some unique physical attributes. We've seen them excel in sports, especially basketball and modeling. In fact, the tallest ever NBA basketball player is Manute Bol. He stood at 7 feet 7 inches and is a Nilote from South Sudan. The now 23 years old supermodel Adut Akech was the model of the year 2019 when she was only 19 years old. In assurance, this video is mind-blowing and you should watch till the very last minute. Stay tuned. The Nilotic peoples are people indigenous to the Nile Valley who speak Nilotic languages. They inhabit South Sudan, Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, Kenya, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania. Among these are the Burun-speaking peoples, Karo peoples, Luo peoples, Ateker peoples, Kalenjin peoples, Datooga, Dinka, Nuer, Atwot, Lotuko and the Maa-speaking peoples. The Nilotes constitute the majority of the population in South Sudan, an area that is believed to be the original point of dispersal. After the Bantu peoples, they constitute the second largest group of peoples inhabiting the African Great Lakes region around the East African Rift. They make up a notable part of the population of southwestern Ethiopia as well. Most Nilotes are herders, migrating on a seasonal basis with their herds of cattle. Some tribes are also known for a tradition of cattle raiding. Over time, the Nilotes in East Africa have adopted many customs and practices from southern Cushitic groups, such as the age-set system of social organization, circumcision, and vocabulary terms. In terms of religious beliefs, Nilotes primarily adhere to traditional faiths, Christianity and Islam. The Dinka religion has a pantheon of deities. Their supreme creator, God, is referred to as Nilotic, who is the god of the sky and rain, and the ruler of all spirits. He is believed to be present in all creation and to control the destiny of every human, plants and animals on earth. Nilotic is also known as Jack, Juong, or Dioking by other Nilotic groups. Dengdit or Deng is the sky god of rain and fertility, empowered by Nilotic. Deng's mother is Abuk, the patron goddess of gardening and all women, represented by a snake. Garang, another deity, is believed or assumed by some Dinka to be a god suppressed by Deng. His spirits can cause most Dinka women and some men to scream. Physically, Nilotes are noted for their typically very dark skin color and slender tall bodies. They often possess exceptional long limbs, particularly their forearms, and this characteristic is thought to be a climatic adaptation to allow their bodies to shed heat more efficiently. This is to say that their extreme weather did not just influence the lives of the Nilotes, it also gave them some unique physical attributes. Sudanese Nilotes are regarded as one of the tallest peoples in the world with an average height of 6 feet 4 inches for men, whilst women's average height is 6 feet 2 inches. In terms of facial features, the Nilotes population have a commonly broad nasal profile. The tall height and agile abilities of Nilotic people have allowed them great success across the world, most notably in sports and modeling. Kenya, Uganda and South Sudan have produced countless world-class athletes, from basketball players like Manute Bol to long-distance runners such as Lona Kiplagat. Their long legs, slender frames and beautiful skin have also seen Nilotes flourish in the modeling world. For in-demand model and activist Nilotic People, modeling has provided an important platform to inspire everyone back home to know that they can achieve their own success and to promote unity over conflict. The Nilotes have grown and learned to take advantage of their situations and conditions. They didn't let their backgrounds put their backs on the ground. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.